Hello everyone, this is Maruf. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to register an add-on to SAP Business One. So, in order to register an add-on, we are going to go to Administration, Add-ons, Add-on Administration, and we are going to use the Manage extensions for lightweight deployment. We're going to go there in just a bit, but before that, what we will need is to run our project, add-on project, in either debug mode or in release mode. And once we have that done, we go to Windows Explorer, we go to C drive, program files, and then we go to SAP, we go to SAP Business One SDK, then we go to tools, then we go to extension package. So what you can do is you can probably copy these files and to a location where you can easily access, and we're going to right click on this, and we are going to go to SBO32 client add-on because the application that is installed, the SAP application that is installed on my machine is of 32-bit. So once I'm there, I'm going to choose open. So we need the exe file uh, of the application that we are using, the add-on application. So I'm going to go there right now. Projects and not there. All right. So the exe file is located inside your project folder, which is this one. Add-on registration test is the one I'm using. So then you go to bin and you go to debug and you select the .exe file. So these are all the files that you will need for your package. Then you go back to basic information and give it a name. Let's give it an extension name. Let's call it AddOn Reg Test and a version of 1.0.0.0, and extension provider, let's call it Maruf. Extension namespace could be the same as this one. MS SQL, contact data not required. Alright, so once that's done, what we are going to do is we are going to hit package, and we are going to save this package to, let's just call it AddOn Reg Test. Save successfully. So we close this and go back to SAP Business One, and we are going to have to open AddOn Administration and click on this link. So this is going to open in a this link is going to open on a browser. We have to make sure that the date is correctly set, otherwise might cause some issues. So the username is usually B1 site user, and the password is SA on my machine. So we probably ran into an error. This is because my date is set back to a past date. So I'm going to fix that and get back to it. So once again, I'm going to click on this link. Once the link opens up, I'm going to set the username and the password and click on log on. So this is where we can import our add-on. Let's click on import, browse, and exactly is this one. So this is our package, and then I click on upload. So everything seems fine. Click on next, and now specified parameters, next, and finish. Okay, now we are going to have to assign this add-on or extension, in this case, to a company. So we are logged into SAP Demo US. Click on assign, select the add-on, next, next, and let's just set it to automatic as the default startup mode, and click on next, and then finish. Okay, so this is enabled. So now we go back to SAP Business One, and we won't be able to see our add-on right now. What we were going to have to do is log back into our system. So choose company, and let me just log out. So if you're using a trial version of the software, make sure you set your system date to one of the days within the trial period, which is 30 days. And once you log back in, I'm using a trial version of the software as well, that's why it says 31 days left. And so once you log back in, your add-ons are going to get installed. Connecting add-on reg test. So our add-on is connected. So this is our add-on. We no longer need to run Visual Studio in order to check our add-on, so we click on Form 1, and this is our add-on. So this is how you register your add-ons to SAP Business One. I hope this video helps, and please give it a like if it helped you, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if there's anything else you want to see next, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.